Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside plasma cutter, the model PPS 40B3. Cutting current is 15 to 40 amp. Cutting performance for copper 1 to 4 mm, stainless steel 1 to 8 mm, aluminium 1 to 8 mm, iron 1 to 10 mm, seat steel from 1 to 12 mm. Working pressure it is 4 to 4.5 bar, rated voltage 230 volt 50 Hz, accessories included inside we're gonna find out together. Can only be used with a compressor. Just to know you need to have an air compressor. Compressor not included, obviously. 3 years warranty. Suitable for cutting seat steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper and iron. Well, nice of that, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Of course, inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Now we've got accessories, a lot of them. Now let's see one by one the accessories. We've got the 2.5 meter cutting cable with exchangeable torch attachment. This is the plasma burner handle. The plasma burner button. We've got the lock and unlock, and you can press it. Lock and not pressing anymore. Unlock and press it. Now at the front we've got the electrode and the burner sleeve. And of course we can replace that. We'll get some replacements here. Perfect. And at the other side we've got the earthing clamp device plug and the earthing clamp connecting plug. And the plasma burner control plug. And the last, it is the plasma burner plug. All that, we need to connect it to the main unit. Now let's move on at this cable. It is two different cables. It is the earthing cable. We've got the plug and the clamp. And we've got the compressed air hose. And the quick connector compressed air hose at this side. Perfect. Now let's move on at the device. Oh, I like the thickness of the cable. It is about 2 meters, so thick. At the back we've got the rotary knob to regulate the pressure. The manometer, we can see on bars and MPa. The on-off switch, of course, the power port plug, the gas input, it says here, goes inside of the unit, the condensation water tank here, and obviously here it is the connection for the air pressure hose. Just press and it locks, press that and unlock. It is very easy. Press this blue, unlock. That's all about at the back, and now at the front. We've got the thermal monitor with indicator light, the power LED light, the adjustable cutting current from 15 to 40 amp, the plasma burner control socket, and let's connect them one by one. It is that, and we need to connect it here. The earthing clamp connection, it is that. Just pull and rotate and connect it. And the plasma burner connection, it is that, goes here, screw and lock, and everything it is tight and well at the right position. Ventilation at the front, and of course this housing made from a painted sheet steel with an ergonomic carry handle. Nice. Well, let's power it on. Ooh. And we can hear the ventilation, power indicator, but we need an air compressor. And you can see the spark, but without an air compressor it cannot work. It doesn't have the power. Nice. Let's switch it off. And here it is the connection for the earthing clamp. Rotate and it locks. It is durable, powerful and compact. Electronically controlled, quiet and even plasma jet. It has a precise and clean cuts through the material up to 10 mm thick. The high quality plasma torch with a plastic handle, it is suitable for cutting so many metals. It is a contactless first cut thanks to the pilot ignition that reduces wear on the torch nozzle. You don't need to grind the working point, and it is compatible with standard air compressor like the Parkside PKO 500A1, and because you need an air compressor to work this plasma cutter. And unfortunately at this moment I don't have any air compressor. I will do the testing video in about 1 week from now. That's why hit the notification bell, don't miss that video, and more videos from me. Well, I can say it has a good quality parts by the first look, so many parts. It is lightweight definitely, you can go anywhere with this plasma cutter, of course you need a power. The whole construction, it looks very well manufactured, and I'm sure it will do a good job cutting any metal. Well, we're gonna find out at the future. Until then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.